What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy back at it with another video. As you can tell, a little upgrade to the quality. Your boy has been slightly making some upgrades. I'm excited to show you guys what I've been doing and what has changed recently here on the channel. As you can quickly tell, no TV, slightly upgrading my desk setup when I'm playing my games with the bros. Shout out to them. Coming at you with a quick video with a new pickup, an early pickup. I think this is our first time doing an early pickup here on the channel. I'm excited to show you guys what I recently picked up. This shoe comes out this Saturday. These are the Jordan 1 Hyper Royals. These come out retail $170. If you are lucky enough to grab a pair, hold on to them because the value of these are going super high, to the moon, as my boy Cardi would say. And once again, shout out to the plug. You already know who you are. Good looks. Let me show you guys some detailed shots of the shoe.
Overall, this shoe looks great in my opinion. The suede is nice and soft. You can tell the suede is going to last for a long period of time. It also comes with an extra pair of blue laces. I don't see myself wearing those. The suede is nice and buttery too as well, nice and soft. You can't go wrong with adding these in your collection.
Man, I can't thank you guys enough for checking out this video. If you're new here, subscribe, because we're going to be dropping weekly content around sneakers and fashion, some of the new pickups I pick up personally, and now we're going to start getting into some opinions of some of the brands and what's coming out during the weeks here in the spring and summer. I want to show you guys some of the things that I'm interested in, and maybe you guys are interested in. Leave a comment down below what you guys want to see next. Once again, I would like to thank you guys for checking out this video. I can't thank you guys enough. You already know. Thumbs up.